Hey guys, 32 here. I'm back for episode 5 of my Survivor series, and I have a lot of building stuff. Because today we're going to build a house. But before I do that, I need to show you what I did last time. So, made it nice with like this wood here. Just looks good. And I made this guy, an iron golem. It's pretty hard to make. It takes a lot of iron. But oh yeah, and organize my chest, tools and armor, minerals and food, etc. Farming, mob drops, and blocks. I don't have many because I just took them all out. So I really, I'm not the best at building stuff, so I don't know if this is gonna work out good, but, oh yeah. I'm gonna get my tools and build a house somewhere. And I have a lot of wood, so as you can tell, I've been clearing down a lot of trees. That's also good because now there's a lot of open space to build houses in. And what's that? See, it's two hits for zombies. So we're just gonna look for a nice open space over there. Yeah, that's a good spot. And I should, boom. Okay, don't really need to fight any creepers right now. Now, it's not going to be like a huge mansion house. It's just going to be a nice looking, I'm going to try to make it a nice looking house. Not too big. So it's not going to take up this whole space. Okay, I'm going to make some stairs. Probably that many. I can make some more. Okay, that's good. So I guess I'll start with these. I don't know what the entrance should be. Oh, I know. Make it tricky. Maybe this could work. And sorry guys, I haven't been posting many videos lately. I didn't post any yesterday, so I'm probably gonna end up posting 2 today. So that I guess for now. We'll change it up later. Yeah. Okay, now the house part. I'm gonna make it out of oak wood, because that's what I have a lot of. I don't know what to do for the entrance. Oh wait. I'll work with it off camera. Let's see, maybe That's 2. That looks weird. Yeah, do that. Okay, so now that I have this done, just gonna pull this over. Oh no. Okay, so like I said, it's not going to be too much of a huge mansion house. It's just going to be a nice little house. No, it doesn't. Oh. Nope. I'll think of that later. Okay. Now these will go and extend. Oh god, it's lagging. So how many blocks is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, I'm not too good of a builder, but I do know that the house will look really bad if it doesn't have any windows, so yeah. So I'm probably gonna end up putting windows in. Oh yeah, it's 5. Cool. Okay, glass, do 3. This will be the first floor, I guess. Probably gonna be like this. I wish I hadn't. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some more wood over there. Okay, 5. Oh, for now I need 4. I'm probably gonna end the video after I finish the first part of it, the foundation and first floor. Then next video is probably well, and then between now and the next video, I'm gonna get some glass, but not now. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that right? Is it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need the windows. 1, 2, 3. And then. Okay. I don't know what to do here. Two, three. Stairs. Stairs. How many blocks in total? One. Yeah, I'll do that. Oh no, I'm running out of glass. Okay, let's see. Two, 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 and across, and then on the other side, I just need all glass. We'll see how that looks. Hopefully good. It's not that bad. I like it. I'll stay with it. Okay, so the people just walk in. This is the house. Beautiful. It's done. Where did it? Okay. And night's falling, but that's fine. I can deal with mobs. For this side, I'm going to make it. So this is 13. And this is 2. And so it's 38 blocks long in all, and so I'm probably just gonna make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whatever. We'll see. Cookie. What the heck is shooting at me? Oh, there you are. Okay, go, 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 go. Oh, crap. Skeleton. So, yeah. It's so much harder. Just like. Okay, I'm just gonna continue on the house. Okay. Oh, you got an enchant? Oh my god, 2 shovels. Oh, I got. Oh yeah. Crap, 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 crap. Crap. Makes it so much harder. And there's a lot of mobs. Okay, I'm actually probably gonna end the video here because I just finished the front entrance, I guess. So, I guess see you next time.